We understand that most men, they dread doctor's appointments. They want a quick, streamlined experience tailored to their needs. The typical appointment process, it just doesn't cut it for guys, especially if the concerns to discuss are their energy, libido, and overall mood. They need something extraordinary, something that caters to them. They want appointments that are lightning fast, results that hit the bullseye, and communication that's as straightforward as a touchdown pass. They want to get in, get out, see results, and get back to their busy lives. Here's where GameDay comes in. Founded in 2018 by CEO and PhD Dr. Evan Miller, GameDay Men's Health helps men get back to the top of their game with their 3-step signature process: determining testosterone levels, creating a game plan, and beginning treatment. This brand is for men that are on the go and dedicated to high quality and effective treatment programs delivered through a quick and simple process. With a focus on delivering premium testosterone replacement, ED treatment, weight management, and vitamin therapy, GameDay Men's Health ensures that convenience and results are the cornerstones of the experience. What other doctors do in 3 separate visits, GameDay knocks out in 1. Testosterone tests happen on the spot instead of having to get another appointment at a different lab and come back, go over it. Testosterone is 80% of the business model, and they're good at it. Now, imagine this. A guy schedules an appointment effortlessly via text. No doctor referrals needed. He steps into an office that looks like the set of Sports Center, decked out in vibrant red and black, adorned with sports memorabilia. A friendly team welcomes and guides him straight to his own personal room. He doesn't wait in the lobby. He sinks into an oversized, ultra-comfy chair that feels fit for a king. He looks to his right, and ESPN plays on a massive flat-screen TV, keeping him updated on all the latest sports. He glances to his left, and a tempting array of refreshments and snacks await. A once uncomfortable, sterile environment has transformed into a manly haven of comfort and tranquility.